because if you look at the world, right, you have in the emerging worlds, in the Asia side, the LATAM side, the business is growing rapidly. You need more underwriters. On the US side, you have people retiring, right? And so the need for talent is always there. And as you get fresh blood, to Silvia's point, I think we still have to work on how to attract people, but how are you going to train them? And how can you make it compelling enough that they see that technology could play an important role? And I think that's the issue that insurance is working through today.
Yep, great. Silvia, in terms of that knowledge transfer question, how can technology help move from sort of individual knowledge to institutional knowledge, and how much of that is enough and how much is too much? You know, where's the line to draw between sort of trying to you know, create an institutional asset around the underwriting experience versus, you know, training new underwriting leaders?
Yeah, I think again, you know, when we look at what insurance companies are trying to achieve, from a vision perspective, I believe no one is thinking that we will have a fully automated insurance company, right?